Are you trying to lose weight, but constantly find yourself reaching for unhealthy snacks? Chips, cookies, candy bars, they're everywhere. But what if I told you that snacking doesn't have to be the enemy? In fact, it can actually help you lose weight if you choose the right snacks. In this video, we're going to reveal the top healthy snacks that not only keep you full longer, but also fuel your metabolism, balance blood sugar, and support your fat-burning goals. Stick around till the end, because the last few snacks might completely change the way you think about dieting. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the snack list, let's answer a quick question. Why do we snack in the first place? It's usually one of three reasons: hunger between meals, cravings from stress, boredom, or habit, energy dips during the day. The key is to snack mindfully, not out of boredom, but with intention. When done right, snacking can prevent overeating during meals, boost energy and focus, maintain stable blood sugar, curb cravings and emotional eating. But the trick is to choose snacks that are nutrient-dense, low in added sugars, high in fiber or protein, and satisfying. So, let's take a look at the best options you can start eating today. 1. Greek yogurt with berries. High in protein and packed with probiotics, Greek yogurt is a superstar for weight loss. Add a handful of berries like blueberries or strawberries, and you got a snack that's low in calories, high in antioxidants, packed with gut-friendly bacteria. Tip: choose plain, unsweetened yogurt to avoid added sugars. Add cinnamon or a drizzle of honey if you like it sweet. 2. Apple slices with peanut butter. This classic combo is a great mix of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Apples give you natural sweetness and fiber, while peanut butter offers long-lasting satiety. Warning: stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter to keep calories in check. 3. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition. 1 hard-boiled egg has around 70 calories and 6 grams of protein. They're convenient, easy to prepare, and keep you full for hours. Bonus: the yolk contains choline, which supports fat metabolism and brain health. 4. Hummus with carrot or cucumber sticks. Hummus, made from chickpeas, is rich in fiber and protein. When paired with crunchy vegetables like carrots or cucumbers, it becomes a filling and refreshing snack. Plus, the fiber helps stabilize blood sugar and reduce cravings. 5. Nuts and seeds. A small handful of almonds, walnuts, pistachios, or pumpkin seeds can go a long way. They're calorie-dense, yes, but also incredibly satisfying and packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, antioxidants. Just stick to about 1/4 cup to avoid going overboard. 6. Cottage cheese with pineapple or peaches. Low-fat cottage cheese is high in casein protein, which digests slowly, keeping you full longer. Pair it with fresh pineapple or peaches for a sweet and tangy twist. It's a great post-workout snack or evening treat that won't spike your blood sugar. 7. Roasted chickpeas. Crunchy, savory, and protein-rich, roasted chickpeas are a great alternative to chips. They're loaded with fiber and plant-based protein. You can season them with paprika, garlic powder, or chili for an added kick. Best of all, you can make a big batch at home for the whole week. 8. Avocado and whole grain crackers. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and fiber. When paired with whole grain or seed crackers, they make for a filling and nutritious snack. Sprinkle with sea salt, chili flakes, or even a squeeze of lime to enhance flavor. 9. Protein smoothie. Blend 1 scoop of protein powder with a frozen banana, almond milk, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. This snack is not only filling, but also supports muscle maintenance and fat burning. Just make sure to avoid sugary protein powders. Choose one with minimal ingredients and no artificial sweeteners. 10. Chia pudding. Made by soaking chia seeds in almond milk or coconut milk overnight, this pudding is rich in fiber, omega-3s, and protein. It expands in your stomach and keeps you full for hours. Top it with berries, nuts, or a little bit of cocoa powder for flavor. 11. Edamame. Steamed edamame young soybeans are an amazing source of plant-based protein and fiber. A 1-cup serving gives you about 17 grams of protein with very few calories. Sprinkle with sea salt or lemon juice for a savory, crunchy treat. 12. Dark chocolate and almonds. Yes, you can eat chocolate while trying to lose weight, if it's the right kind. A few pieces of 85% dark chocolate paired with a handful of raw almonds can satisfy your sweet tooth while providing antioxidants and healthy fats. Just don't eat the whole bar. Stick to 1 to 2 squares. 13. Oats with cinnamon and almond butter. Oats aren't just for breakfast. A small bowl of cooked oats with cinnamon and a spoonful of almond butter is warm, comforting, and satisfying. It helps regulate blood sugar and provide sustained energy, perfect for a mid-afternoon slump. 14. Tuna lettuce wraps. Take canned tuna in water, mix it with mustard or a tiny bit of Greek yogurt, and wrap it in romaine or iceberg lettuce leaves. High in protein and ultra-low in carbs. This is an ideal snack for anyone following a low-carb or keto plan. 15. Frozen grapes or banana bites. If you crave dessert, frozen fruits can help curb that sugar craving. Freeze grapes for a crunchy, icy bite. Slice bananas, dip them in dark chocolate, and freeze for a guilt-free dessert. These snacks are sweet, satisfying, and surprisingly low in calories. Portion control and timing. Even with healthy snacks, portion control is key. Just because almonds are healthy doesn't mean you can eat a whole bag and lose weight. Aim for around 150 to 200 calories per snack. Also, snack when you need to, not out of habit. A good rule of thumb: if you're physically hungry between meals, go ahead and snack. If it's just a craving, drink water and wait 15 minutes. You might not be truly hungry. Listen to your body and learn the difference between hunger and habit. Snacking mistakes to avoid. Let's quickly go over some common snacking mistakes people make. Snacking late at night. Eating mindlessly while watching TV. Relying on low-fat processed snacks. Drinking sugary drinks instead of water. Not balancing carbs with protein and fats. Avoid these traps, and your snacks will actually support your weight loss rather than sabotage it. Create a snack plan. If you want to make healthy snacking part of your routine, plan ahead. Here's how. Keep healthy options in plain sight. Store cut fruits, veggies, and nuts in clear containers. Meal prep your snacks. Boil eggs, portion out nuts, or make chia pudding for the week. Avoid buying junk food. If it's not in the house, you won't eat it. Use small containers or Ziplocs so you're not tempted to overeat. The more convenient your healthy snacks are, the more likely you'll reach for them. Now that you know the best healthy snacks for weight loss, it's time to take action. Start by choosing 3 to 4 of your favorites from this list and add them to your grocery list this week. Prep them, portion them, and enjoy them with confidence. Which snack are you most excited to try? Do you have a favorite go-to snack we didn't mention? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health and weight loss tips every week. Stay healthy, stay energized, and happy snacking.